In this session, we will discuss about HTML. Okay. What is HTML? How it works? We will discuss. Actually, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Next one you can note like HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is abbreviated as Hypertext Markup Language. Actually, HTML used for front end. What is mean by front end? Suppose when we see web pages like google.com, it will be visible like GOOGLE. Okay. The web pages will be because of this HTML. Like enter some data that can be possible because of HTML. Like I will explain you a scenario how to how to memorize HTML. I will explain you one scenario. Like think of a human being. Okay, human being. Human being has head and body. Okay, this is a human being. Human being. Consider human being as a HTML. Okay, human being has head and body. Head and body. Okay. Similarly, HTML also has a head and body. It also has head and body. Okay. Human being take like food from mouth. Here also HTML also take all the links inputs that from mouth and processes everything inside the body. Means digestion, everything. Similarly, body is responsible to take data like input tags, anchor tags like hyperlink tags, input tags, etc. That can be done by body. Similarly, HTML also has head and body. Okay. Okay. I will take one example and I will show you everything. Okay. See, I told you HTML. Okay, I want to tell one more thing before that. See, to identify this one is a HT Python file. You can say like .py file .py with extension like abc.py. Similarly, you can save a file with .html to identify this as HTML file. And inside the HTML file, the data is filled with HTML. You can understand the machine by representation with doc type, like doc type, doc type, and you can mention HTML. The machine can understand that is a HTML file. I will type here neatly. Okay, doc type. Okay. Doc type and means what is this document type? Is it which type the document is in? HTML. So HTML. Okay, that's the first step. After that, I told HTML. Actually, HTML is a not case sensitive. It can be uppercase or lowercase. HTML starting. Okay. To end HTML tag, you can mention slash symbol HTML. Okay. This is the end of HTML. I told you that HTML has two parts, head and body, like human. The starting. Okay, it should be ended. So get end. Similarly for body, body, start. Okay, body, end. Okay. I told you that head tag is responsible to store links like metadata something. Okay, what tag is responsible to process like actual data. Okay, we will take simple example and okay, we will take like title. When website is shown, what type of title it should be mm, there above. Means like here doc type is there. For if I open a Chrome browser, there should be some title. So for that I can take title. Okay, TI title. My title should be uh, testing. You can take like testing. Okay, I should in title also. I mean title. In body, I can take like head tag. There are many tags like paragraph, many things. Okay, we will take H1 tag. It is also up to 6. H1, H2, H3, H6. H1 means big. Yes, I will take here my name. Shiva. I will close H1 tag. Okay. Okay, I will save this file. Save as. I will save something like desktop. I will save. Uh, testing log test dot test is already there. Shiva dot HTML. Okay. I will save it desktop only. Okay, I have saved it HTML file, a desktop. Okay, we'll check that one. I will save it somewhere place, some other place. Okay, no problem, we'll check here. Shiva. File name is okay, Shiva. This is the file. Okay, Shiva. See, here title is testing. So testing is visible as a title, and I saved with name Shiva. So Shiva is visible here. So I recommend not to use Notepad. I recommend to use Atom IDE or Visual Studio to develop a full stack website or anything to practice HTML code also. Okay. I will, okay. I want to show the difference between H1 tag, H2 tag. There are up to 6 tags. There are 6 tags. Okay. H1 tag, as I've shown you, is big, somewhat big. H2 means some small. Size should be some small. If you want small size, you can use H2. This would be smaller than H1. H3, similarly, smaller than H2. Up to H6. H6 is smaller than all of this up to H5. Okay. You can use CSS. If you want your own style, own size, you can use CSS, cascading style sheets. Okay, I will explain. I will make another video about CSS and JavaScript. JavaScript is uh, for dynamic website, you can use JavaScript. CSS is for styling the HTML. If you want, okay, I will show this one. Okay, Shiva is there. Background color should be some more color, or Shiva should be some more color. Then you can go for CSS. Okay, today in this session, I will explain HTML. I will explain HTML5. HTML5. HTML and HTML5 both are same. There are some differences like article tag, some extra tags, extra functionalities came in HTML5. Okay, now okay, I want to show you the difference. Okay, I will copy this one. I will paste down. Okay. Okay, there is nothing. It will not consider any spaces. I will change this to H2, H3, H4. Okay, this one would be H5, and finally this one H6. Okay, I will run this. I will save, and I will load this one again. See, you can see the different sizes. For this one is H1 tag, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, as I have shown you this one. Okay, now I will show in Atom how to do this. Okay, okay. Now this one is basic.html. Okay, in Atom it is very simple to create HTML syntax. You can simply type HT. Okay, you can click enter. It will make everything, like it will create head and it will create body. In title you can mention what title you want for website, web page. Okay, here I have mentioned it is showing testing because I have mentioned here title like testing. That is the reason it's showing testing. Okay, you can mention your own. Okay, I will explain now about. Okay, I will show this one. First HTML HTML page. I will make this one, and I want to add some more things. Like now we have seen about head tags, header tag, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Okay, now we will see paragraph tag. What is mean by paragraph? Okay, there are okay, we will take head one tag, H tag. Okay, uh, about something about HTML. Okay, after that, below I want to make some text like okay, P P sign of for paragraph tag. Uh, I will take some text like well, when you click on L or Epson something, it will give you. Okay. Okay. I have given this text. Okay. I will save this. I have saved this one. You can make copy full path and you can uh, paste here. And you click on enter. See, it is like paragraph style, and this is like header, head one, H1. Okay. That one you can do with the paragraph tag. This is the end of a paragraph. Okay. Now we will discuss about tags. First of all, we will discuss about order list and unordered list. Then after we will go for input tag, anchor tag, and many more things. And later on, we will go for HTML5. Okay, there are two types of list. There are two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. Okay. Okay. The major difference between these two means, suppose when I use this order list, it will be like 1, 2, 3. It will be some order. When I use unordered list, it would be like bullet points. Okay, that is the difference. We will execute this one. Like we will do in AutomID. It's better to prefer AutomID. Suppose we will take like order list. OL means enough for order list. Okay, it is creating order list OL. In that I should add list item. LI means list item. Okay. In that you can add something like mm, favorite quotes. Like in you can take like H5 tag. Um, your favorite courses. Okay. First one is like uh, deep learning. Actually, this is my favorite course. Then after uh, machine learning, and it uses sklearn. And okay, machine learning internally uses completely sklearn library. Sklearn. Okay. I will take one more list item. Um, Django. Django using full stack. Full stack Python using Django. Using Django. Okay. We are discussing HTML also. One minute. HTML also. list item again HTML. This also course HTML. Okay. We'll add some more thing. Okay, CSS cascading style C. Okay, we will add Bootstrap. It is your best framework to style. Strap. You can take like JavaScript, or you can use jQuery also as a framework. jQuery. Okay. In that you can use DOM, document object model, and you can use everything. Okay. This one order list. It will be displayed 1 deep learning, 2 machine learning, 3 full stack. In such a way it will display. Okay, I will remove all this stuff because it will be confusing for you. Okay, first of all, I have created HTML page, HTML. Then after, I have created head. In that, I mentioned title as my first HTML page. Like I will change the title like favorite. Okay, courses. I will take courses. It is the best. Okay, and your favorite course. This order list means 1, 2, 3. List item. First list item is Django. Sorry, deep learning. Second one is machine learning, and third one is full stack Python, and fourth HTML. In such a way I have mentioned. I will save this one. Okay, now I have saved this. Okay, I will run this one. Okay, see your favorite courses. First one order list means that's the reason it is showing one deep learning, second machine learning. In such a way it is showing. If I take another list, okay, okay, I will copy this one and I will change only one thing. Okay, see, okay, I will type greater than. I will type from scratch. Another list. UL means another list. Okay, in that I list item is favorite Python in programming languages. Like first one Python, second one Java. Control Shift D means duplicate. And then next R, and then next C programming. Okay, in this, okay, 4 is enough for this. Okay, I will save this one. Okay, I will run again. Okay, see, it is represented in bulletin points. Unordered list. It is nothing but unordered list UL. Okay, that's the difference between order list and unordered list. Now we will go some HTML tags. Okay, first of all, we will go how to create a table. Then after we will go for tags and everything. Uh, okay, I will remove all this and I will show you. Okay, okay, I will take a new file to create this one. New file. New file name is table creation. Table.html. Okay, I will take in this file table.html. In this file, I want to create a table. First of all, how to create HTML? HT. Enter. It will create automatically everything if you use Atom IDE. After that, title I want to create a table creation in HTML. Okay, table creation in HTML. First of all, to create a table, you can simply write TA means table. It will create table form. Okay. And then after, there should be table head. PH means table head. Okay, table head. There should be some rows like suppose if this is your table, there should be this one top rows. Like suppose student table is there. First one is roll number, name, branch. Okay. Then after address. Okay, this should be there for a student. This is called as table head. This should be mentioned there. table head. Table head means th, means after that table element header cell, it is showing there clearly. I want to show one more time. See, table header cell means what value should be there. When I click on enter, it will ask first one roll number per student, roll number. Okay. Okay, I want to add one more field in the cell as name, name of a student. Okay. Then after I want to add what we have already, name, this one branch, branch. Then after we can add like address. Okay, these are this is there for adding this above header. Okay. Okay, now I want to add one student name and I should fill data. Okay. For that, I should do this. Okay. This is for table head. Okay. For table row, for each table row, table row, tr is enough, table row. When I click on enter, it will create table row. In that, I should add table data, td. Enter means I should add one table data. First one is consist of rule number. Rule number means 1000, 10 you can take. Okay, table data 10. Okay, his name. Rule number 10 name is you can take name like ABC. His name is ABC. Okay. Uh, and the next you can take branch is from AML branch. AIML branch. Okay. His address is Hyderabad. Okay, HYD is enough. Okay, I want to add one more student details. Okay, for that I can create TR, one more row. Yes, I have created with these details, I have created one row. Like I have added here 10 rule number, name is ABC, and branch is AIML, address is Hyderabad. Okay, this is row one. I want to add one more here. That is the reason I can take like, see, TR means table row, and that TH means table head. No, sorry, table data. This one, sorry. In table row, table data is my table data is I will take 11 rule number. Rule number 11, his name is Shah. I can take his name as Shah. He is from department CSC. Okay. He is from you can take his, he is from Delhi. Okay. Now second row is created with rule number 11. 11, name is Shah. Branch is CSC. He is from Delhi. Okay. The table is created now. We'll check this one. Okay, I will save this one. Control is save. I will copy. Copy full path. It will copy the address location where the file has stored. Okay, I'll paste here. Okay, see rule number, name, branch, address. It is in table format. See, table should be somewhat, there should be borders and there should be lines. It look like a table. Then I should add that one also. For the table, there should be borders. Border. I want to add border as 2. Okay, we will check with 2. Okay, when I refresh, okay, see 2. It look like a table. I want to mention like student table. Okay, it's 3 I will take student details. Okay, border is 1 is enough, I think. Okay, now I will refresh HTML page. Student details. Rule number 10, ABC, AML, Hyderabad, 11, Shah, CSC, Delhi. Okay, we have created a table now. Okay, now I want to create a login form or something. For that, we should use tags. So there are different types of tags. Okay, I will explain everything in detail. So take one more file also. I will take tags.html. In this, I will explain every tag, everything. Okay, now first step is to create HTML enough HTML page. For this, now I want to create like login form. Form itself says that it is some form. So I should use form. Forms concept here. For see, it is displaying everything from a class. Class image to design. It is used in CSS. If you use CSS, you can mention some class and you can make that create some dot selectors like hash means ID. This one is class means dot. In CSS file, you can mention that. Action means when you click on submit, it will go to index.html. That's the reason it is showing. Okay, I'll explain all these things later. Don't worry about this all things. I will remove as of now. Okay. Okay, form. We have created the form. Okay. Now, now we will take one input tag. Type is called text. Okay. Mm, enter name. Enter name. I will take this one. Okay. The type is called text. Okay. Enter name. I can take in that way. Okay. It is fine now. Name is equal to I want to store in name. So that's the reason I'm taking name. Okay. You can ignore value, no problem. That's also okay. Okay. As of now, I will ignore this one. Okay. When I want to create some form, there should be like email also. Email. Email. Okay, for this also input tag. Type is equal to email. My now is email. I want to store in email only. I will take name as email. Okay, value also I will remove now. Okay, and now I'll explain why value, why name, all these things after typing the code. Okay, then I can take like password. Password also. That is also input tag. Uh, Password is password. That is a type password type. Type may specify that what type the user name is. If I mention text, the user can enter text. If I mention email type, then it should definitely enter at the rate, or else it will specify that this type is it is a type of email. So you have forgotten at the rate symbol. If I mention password, it will hide the uh, text. Okay. I can take name as PWD. Okay, let's ignore value. Okay. After password, you can take like birthday input. Birthday is of date time. It is of date format. So date date. Okay, let's ignore this value field. Okay. Okay. Then after gender, gender is also fine. Input. Uh, Type is gender. There should be in this form like gender. Okay, male. It should be radio button type. Female. Okay. If you select this, it should be deselected this. If you select this, it should be deselected. Okay. In that form, that is a radio button. You can create a radio button, radio. Okay. Okay. Name I will give. Okay. Take care. I want to take in the next line. Okay. Name I want to give G. See, two should be attached with each other. That is the reason I'm taking the same. Okay. See, now I will show why we should take value. Okay. Here I will take value as male for starting one. For second one, I will take female. Okay. Okay. The value is stored in male field and value is stored in female field. Okay. Male. Second one is female. Okay. It is fine now. Okay. We have created male, female. Okay. Then after gender, we can create like uh, checkbox. Mm, uh, what values we can take like will you relocate? Okay. That can't be a checkbox. So relocating places, it will be better. Relocating places. Okay. Input. Okay, type is checkbox. Okay, checkbox. Directly I can take here. Uh, Relocating places like Hyderabad. Okay. Name is Hyderabad. Okay, let's ignore this value now. Okay, HYD Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, I will take checkboxes also. Checkbox. I will take like Pune. I will take this also as Pune. Okay, I will take these two values for now. Okay, then after we will try to take drop down. So for that you can take like select tag. You can use alternative also. I will explain alternative up in upcoming sessions or later point of time. Okay. Okay, we'll ignore this one. Okay, name I will give it then. Okay. Drop down. For that we have several options. Okay. Option first one is option. First option is what we should take. Favorite laptop you can take. Okay, not favorite dish. You can take like chicken. Okay. This chicken and second one you can take like mutton. Okay, mutton. Okay. If both are favorite, you can take both. Actually, it's a demo purpose. It is not an actual form. That's the reason I'm taking some dummy values. Okay. Uh, and at the last, I can click on. There should be some submit button. So I will take the submit button also. Input. So type is submit. Okay. We will later mention that name value. That value. Okay. Okay. At the end, I will take reset aware also. Reset. Okay. I will remove these tools. Okay, here I will remove this value field. Okay, I will show this one later point of time. Okay, I will save this one. Okay, I will explain you. First of all, I have created HTML form. Means when I click, it will create head field and body field. In that head, I have mentioned that it is a login form. So then after I have taken tag, this is an input tag. It has input. That type is text form, and that value is stored in name. Okay, enter name. It displays in form of box. When I enter email, it asks me, it may show me a box in that you can enter email. The name specifies that email field. Okay, email is shown here. Okay, that is stored in email. Then after it asks password. Then after birthday, same type is date here. Birthday. It is in a date format. Birthday is stored in date format. So that's the reason. Password is a secure one. So that's the reason type is password. Gender. There are two types. If I remove these two things, you can select two, male and female. So a person can't be a male and female. So that's the reason I'm keeping one uh, same name to both these. Both are related to each other. That's the reason. Okay, user can select anyone. Okay, relocating places. Where should a person want to relocate? Like if we want to stay, if he is ready to go stay at Hyderabad and Pune, you can select both. Okay, checkbox. That's the reason. You can be both. You can adjust in both the places. That's the reason. Can be. So after that, favorite dish like chicken, mutton, drop down box. Then after you can means drop down box means you can select both the things. Okay, I will explain after running this one. Okay, tags, copy, full path. Okay, I will paste this one here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, okay, I will adjust this one. Okay, after entering the name, I want to get this email in the next line. So that's when BR is break. Okay, we'll check this one. Is it working fine or not? Email should be next. Okay, it is working fine. I'll do same thing for everything. BR break. Okay, BR break. BR BR break. Okay, for gender, I will take HR. HR means horizontal row line. Uh, Okay, for this I will take BR. Okay, it should be next line. BR break break me go to the next line. So that's the name BR. Okay, for relocating place I will take HR horizontal row line. It will display. For this also I will take BR break BR. Here I will take HR take BR. BR would be better means break. Go me take me to the next line. Okay, BR. For this also I will take BR. Okay, now I will run this one. You can see. Okay. Okay, it is fine. For gender, it is asking two places. Okay. I want to make some space between gender and relocating place and this one and this one. Okay. I'll take more BR. One more BR. For this also I will take one more BR. For this also I will take one more BR. Okay, it is fine now. Okay. Now where is my submit button? 1 minute. I will take name is equal to dishes. Something like I want to store in dishes dictionary format. Okay, here I will take BR. Okay, break. Take me to the next line. Take one more BR also. Okay, I will save this. Control R refresh. Okay, there is nothing to submit a form. So I should mention that submit button also. Value is equal to register. Okay, now we will check this one. Okay, register. See, I want to make some gap between these two. Okay, it is enough. Okay, now first one, user can enter name like Shiva, mail ID, ABC, ABC. Okay, I will something password, date of birth, something birthday, like something. Okay, I will take like something. Okay, then I will take something randomly. I have taken. After that, I will take. I'm ready to relocate to these places. I can't select. I can select only one radio button, as I've shown you, because I've taken here both names. Name is equal to G. Name is equal to G. You can use ID selectors also for this. Okay, if I remove this one, I can select both. As saved this one, I will refresh the page. Okay, I can select both these two. So I don't want to occur this one. So that's the reason uh, I'm changing here to name. That's the reason why I use name. Here value is register. That is the reason. Okay. Now something. Take data, but like something. Okay, I will take something like 2006 something October something. Okay, you can select only one. Relocating places, I will take this two. Favorite chicken. When I when I click on button, it will go. So that's the reason. When I click on control, okay, we take anything. Register. Okay, see, it is asking at the rate symbol. So I will take at the rate outlook.com or hotmail.com. Okay. Okay, it is done successfully. Something like see. I'm not happy with this. I want to reset these values. Okay. Now what I will do? Reset. Okay, everything is gone. Okay. Now we will check one more thing, like suppose if something I haven't entered password and I click on register. Okay, it asking at the rate Gmail. Okay, .com. Okay, when I register, it is taking without entering a password. So I should mention one thing here. That is nothing but required field. Okay, where to mention required field? One. Then you can okay, I can copy this one. I will apply this to all. I want to make this applicable to all. Copy. See, my name is required. My email is also required. My passport is also required. Okay. Birthday is not required. Gender, okay. You can okay remove that one. This name and this name, email, and password are required fields. Without this, you can't take my form. That's the mandatory thing. And I want to make something like user convenience. I will take placeholder. Place placeholder is equal to name. Okay. I want to add here also placeholder is equal to email. For this password also, placeholder is equal to password. Okay, enter password. Be better. Enter password. Okay. In these boxes, it will display you enter name, enter mail in such a way. It would be easy for you. Okay, I will save this one. Okay, I will load this one. Okay, name something. Okay. Now I don't want to enter password, and when I click on register, please fill out this form. So it shows in such a way. Okay, this is HTML file. Okay, I want to add something like login form. Okay, control S, save login form. Okay, okay, I want to do small changes for this. For this form, see, when we have created the form, there is one action. Okay, see this action and method. Okay, when you click on submit, it goes to some index.html file. See, in this directory, is there any index.html? No, if there is, okay, I forgot to display the image format. Okay, I will explain one more video. Okay, okay. Method is post, get, put. There are many methods. If you are aware of Django, you can learn. I will explain at the time of Django. When I teach Django, I will explain everything about different type of methods. Okay. Suppose now we will take like table tag. Okay, instead of this all things, I will remove all these things here. Will mention here. Thank you page. Thank you for your details. I'll mention all these things and I will explain the tags.html. Save this table.html is my target value. Action is equal to table.html. When I click on submit, it should go to table.html. Okay, I will take this one. Okay, name something, a mail something, password something. Okay, these are not mandatory, so I'm clicking register. Okay, it is going to thank you for your details. Okay, is it working fine or not? Yes. Okay. Okay, this is the thank you page. If I go to previous page, this one is about this. Okay, I haven't entered password. I click on this one, it will not give anything. I want to reset, I can reset. Okay, this is a simple login form. In the upcoming sessions, I will explain like div, span, and italic, bold, and how to keep an image fill, and I will explain everything. And I will show, I will create simple registration form. It consists of only front end, and after completion of this HTML, when I uh, start a session of JavaScript and Django, I will explain full stack web development. Means how credentials are authenticated and everything. Okay. Okay. Thank you.